Hello again to everybody. I will make an explanatory video for my last one of blah blah blah, but this is not that one. So hello again, and today we will visit prophecy of the Bible. I will use the video of Laura because I don't want to search too much and so on, and she is showing the Septuagint text, and we will see there. Okay, so let's start. Before that, I will remind you that I'm telling the truth to the people, and we came here to make a baby. Okay, now let's see the Septuagint and how to prove that. So this is from Zechariah. You have already seen the link of this video, so if you want you can watch it. So and I answered and said to him, what are these two olive trees which are on the right and left hand of the candlestick? And I asked the second time and said to him, what are the two branches of the olive trees that are by the side of the two golden pipes that pour into and communicate with the golden oil funnels? And he said to me, knowest thou not what these are? And I said, no, Lord. And he said, these are the two anointed is oiled ones, that stand by the Lord of the whole earth. Okay, so should we continue to explain, and people try to explain these I don't know, prophecy in various modes. Okay, so nevertheless this young girl is upset because Io, or I don't know what deity, was transformed into a cow. So we'll see here a bit cow head. Okay, for your visual memorized. A lamb head. This is a goat head shaped ring. Okay, it's a ring. Okay, and now we'll see the woman reproductive system. Okay, that I don't know why it is here. Okay, so let's read again. Okay, bear with me. So, and I answered and said to him, what are these two olive trees which are on the right and left hand of the candlestick? And I asked the second time and said to him, what are the two branches of the olive trees okay, that are by the side of the two golden pipes that pour into and communicate with the golden oil funnels. Wow, just watch. Do you see here? Okay, so the description, and these are the two testimonies. Okay, the two testimonies. It's enough visual, I believe, for you. Okay, if you have problem that communicate here is okay. These are the two olive. This in this image, where is image, seem like like olive fruits, okay? And these are the pipes that communicate and so on. And this is a uterus, okay? We have more images of the uterus here, okay? You see a uterus, okay? And here is a goat head, cow head, okay? Okay. So then lamb, okay, cow. Then I try for you to find the hormones on pregnancies, okay? And I will read for you fast. Following conception, a new embryo must signal its presence to the mother, allowing her body to identify the start of pregnancy. Otherwise, will not keep the pregnancy, okay? When an egg is fertilized, it travels through the female reproductive tract and on day 6 implants into the womb, releasing a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin in the process. This hormone enters the maternal circulation. Do you understand till now? So the corpus luteus, the new baby, release a hormone called human chorionic. This is a message to the uterus mother. This hormone enters in the maternal circulation and allows the mother to recognize the embryo and begin to change her body to support the pregnancy. Okay. Okay. You can stop and read for yourself. Okay. So this is a more longer part. So human chorionic gonadotropin can be detected in the urine as early 7-9 days after the fertilization and is used as an indicator of pregnancy in most over-the-counter pregnancy tests. It is partially responsible for the frequent urination often experienced by pregnant women during the first trimester. This is because rising levels of human chorionic gonadotropin causes more blood to flow to the pelvic area and kidneys, which cause the kidneys to eliminate waste quicker than before pregnancy. Human chorionic gonadotropin passes through the mother's blood to the ovaries to regulate the levels of the pro-pregnancy hormones that are estrogen and progesterone. Okay, so these the ovaries will produce the olives. Okay, let's go back here. The olives will produce, okay, oil, estrogen and progesterone in order to keep the pregnancy. Okay, when when this not happen, okay, these two testimonies have the power to transform the water in blood. Okay, so I search for you and I find an image because people often don't have a right image. Okay, and I find this image because it's not only the uterus. Okay, these are not disappearing. It's quite little, and anyway, so the uterus that before was like this now is like this, and the two olive trees seem like dead. Okay, seem like dead. Okay, this is the prophecy, and in the end, with a great earthquake and so on, okay, when the birth, now these hormones are responsible, okay, to keep the pregnancy. When one of these hormones or two will not be anymore produced to keep the pregnancy, will start the birth, and to start the birth it's involved another hormone that is produced by this two um, um, by this organ, okay, not by the uterus. So we'll produce the other hormone that will start the contraction, okay. In that moment we have here in the prophecy said that the witness will stand up and will get caught up on their feet, okay, because obviously the woman will birth, they will stand up and will produce will transform, you will start the blood of to the will start to flow blood, okay, because the birth occurred, and now they will stand again up, okay, and transform the water in blood. Now I know that um, sorry for all the images that are posted here, so okay, so I think this is quite cute. So this is a woman with that is not pregnant, obviously, and these are the olive trees and the pipes. So if the woman is not pregnant, okay, this will transform, will have a menstrual cycle, will transform the water in blood. And please don't be ignorant and close the video because it's important, okay. So nevertheless, if you think oh yeah, I still have 3 minutes of my of this video, and now I want to say that my last video blah 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 was a mocking video because people just throw there Jesus bless, and then talk about Nibiru that is not existing, the asteroids, comets, planets, and so on. And I feel like that, mock the enemy, because you cannot. I could be your remedy, I will mock the enemy. I could be your remedy, because there is no religion. People cannot, I don't know, because of this led astray of all bullshits and BS and so on, they get really astray. So nevertheless, this is the prophecy. If you please if you think that what I'm teaching you is correct, please put a like. Will help my videos to be seen by others. If you don't want to share, you know put at least a like. I want to thank you so much to the unique subscriber of mine that always liked my videos and did understand, I hope, my blah blah video that was a mockery about all the what is happening now in the world, and I'm trying to explain to the people that we are different because all the cells in our body are different, and our body have an order to keep grow and so on. And if people will continuously go astray, we'll kill this baby, and this will be our second death, forever and ever and ever death, okay, because he is our Lord. The candlestick that is talking in this prophecy is the Lord. He is our Lord, okay, and we are in our mother womb. There is resembling a cow head, a lamb head, a goat head, or I don't know what kind of animal head you want, and